Hi everyone, it's me si and I'm back with the Tiny Tan Happy Meal McDonald's collaboration Anchor edition, and I got 4 today and we'll try again tomorrow. So let's unbox this version 2 of the McDonald's Tiny Tan collaboration. So delivery to guys. So let's check out the first one. Hindi ko titignan yung codes para surprise. We have dun 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 dun. We have Yoongi. We have Suga. We have Suga. Pwede palang hindi maliwanag eh. We have Yoongi. Ayan. Hindi natin si Suga dito sa harap. Yan. We have Yoongi. The next, we have... Sorry for the lightning guys. Masyadong maliwanag. Next, we have... Hobibi. We have Hobby. We have J-Hope. We have Hobibi. And then, last two. Tapos bukas ulit. Hoping there's no dupes this time. Last time, for the throwback edition, I have 18 boxes of Tiny Tan blind box. I have 2 sets complete of OT7. But I have duplicate of J-Hope, dalawa, San Jungkook, and V. Next, we have Jin Jong. We have Genie. And lastly, sino kaya ang umuwi? Lastly, ano sila? Lastly, we have... Hindi ko titignan yung code. Not a surprise. Lastly, we have... We have Cookie. We have Jungkook. So, we have the Hyung line and the Maknae. Pero kulang pa yung Hyung line ko. Wala pa si RM. So, yung line pa rin naman sila. So, we have the Maknae here. We have Jungkook, Jin, J-Hope, and Suga. And so, hopefully, the last 3 will be Jimin, V, and RM. So, yan na po guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next unboxing of the McDonald's Happy Meal Anchor edition.